Mississippi River, 3,734 kilometers, divides the U.S. Missouri River, 3,767 kilometers. Yukon River, 3,185 kilometers. Waterfalls. James Bruce, Canada, 840 meters, ninth tallest in the world. Yosemite Falls, USA, 739 meters. Niagara Falls, 55 meters, 6,000 cubic meters of water per second, a system of 3 falls. The Great Lakes, Superior, Huron, Michigan, Erie, Ontario, form the largest freshwater system in the world, spanning 204,200 square kilometers. Climate and tornadoes. North America spans almost all climate zones except equatorial. Its mountains and ocean currents channel cold Arctic air south and tropical air north. This unique geography makes tornadoes frequent.